Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So boom. So boom. It's too low to get out the other way. So boom. 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 Boom. So boom. So boom. So boom. And welcome back to the channel. Man, we are in the garage today. This car so far, I have no idea where to start with it, man. I got the battery charging in this car for it. I'm gonna try to start it today, see what happens. Man, I'm missing so many things, man. The body shop I got it from is called Three Masters. Horrible fucking experience. I mean, horrible experience, man. The paint job looks good. Customer service sucks. I'm missing a million pieces to the car. And the pieces that I'm missing are pieces that I can't just go and buy, I don't think, as of yet. I don't have any of these moldings that go around here. I don't have any of those. This top molding for the back windshield is missing, and the clips on these are broke, so that's going on. I do have the top of the doors, so I'm going to go to the storage unit, grab those, and see if I can get this stuff back square. Over on this side, that guy is broken, so the lock assembly won't just bolt up. The only complete door is my passenger door. It has the lock assembly, it has the window, in it, window regulator. That is the only complete door in the car. That door, lock assembly is messed up. This door has no freaking glass in it. As I showed y'all in the previous video, this door lock is messed up. That's got, paint missing. These guys just did a horrible job, man, of securing all of my parts for the car. So today we're gonna see what we can get done. So these are my visors that, they just fucking left outside. So we're gonna try to clean them up and see if I can bring them back to life. They cleaned up pretty good. They cleaned up really good. These are not going to be the color of them because we are going to spray them black, because the headliner up there has starlights in it and it's black. So we're going to paint everything in the headliner black. The first sticker back on blue, brand new decal, man. My homie Will gifted this to me, man. So shout out to the homie Will for the Authentic EF sticker. We're moving out of the old joint into the new joint. And there we have it. We're moved in. We got a set of these. Got some extra tires over here. We got some car parts and shit over there. This is all blue section. So today we are in here for, I think we're gonna grab this guy. This has a lot of interior parts. What I'm really hunting are these guys, so I can get my headliner up. And I'm gonna grab my door panels and, make it look like something. So today, door panels, interior stuff. Load it up. Let's go. So we got the headliner in with the starlights. So I'm in the process of cutting all of the strands here. And I'm probably going to end the video right here, man. It is such a blessing to sit inside of Blue and do some actual work to her, man. I am definitely in my happy place right now, man. Shout out to all my new subscribers, man. 416 subscribers, man. We still reaching for 500, but I don't even give a shit about the subs anymore. I'm just enjoying what I'm doing, man, on my cars, in my garage, man. So until next time, turn one, stay tuned, keep watching, or whatever. I'll holla. Peace. We running.